In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your center console / armrest latch. That's this right here. It holds this lid locked down. Let's get started. With this open, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove both of the screws that hold this latch on. There we go. Make sure you don't drop the screws. Take the new latch, line it up. A little bit of a snug fit, but that's what you want. Start in both screws. Tighten them up. These are just screwing into plastic, so once they bottom out and get snug, stop there. Don't go any further because you'll strip out the plastic and this won't be secure. And if your latch was broken, now it works. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.